In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ServiceM8 to GoHighLevel. This is going to be very fast and very user-friendly. So at the end of this video, you will know how you can make the integration. The first thing that you need to do is go to the app marketplace inside your agency view and search for CRM Connector. So this is the tool that we're going to use. With this tool, you can add 25 plus native integrations to your GoHighLevel account, and it makes integrating a external CRM really easy and really user-friendly. I have just installed the tool to my agency account, and over here I can do all kinds of things. For example, I can request an integration for free, but for the time being, we're only going to integrate ServiceM8 to this sub-account. You can also copy and paste the onboard link and send it to your clients so they can integrate the ServiceM8 account outside of GoHighLevel. But for this instance, I'm going to show it to you inside of a sub-account. Okay, so right now I'm inside of the sub-account that I would like to integrate with ServiceM8. As you can see, this sub-account currently has 0 context, and at the bottom, CRM Connector is installed. When you click CRM Connector, your client can choose ServiceM8 or any other CRM and make the integration. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see, they have a whole list of native integrations that you can select over here. And basically this is the integration form, and here you can make the integration. So basically select a date filter, select which contact data you want to get synced, and here the authentication process. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I've just selected the filters that I would like to apply to this integration. So right now I'm going to do a one-time login to make the integration. It's literally that easy. Okay, I just did the one-time login to my ServiceM8 account, and as you can see, the connection is successfully. The only thing left to do is right now is to click Establish Secure Connection. So the integration is active right now. Every 4 hours, the tool will sync new contacts from ServiceM8 to GoHighLevel. Back in context, you will see all of my contacts from my ServiceM8 account have been uploaded to GoHighLevel, and all new contact data that's being added to my ServiceM8 account will also get added to this sub-account. They have been tagged on their state. They also have a field that's last service date, and this last service date field will be automatically updated when a new service date has been made. So that's how you integrate ServiceM8 to GoHighLevel. It's really easy via CRM Connector. You can download CRM Connector on the GoHighLevel app marketplace, and that's how you integrate it. It's really easy, very user-friendly, and way easier than Zapier in my opinion. So thank you for watching.